Hi friends, thanks for joining me. I'm here to do a fun collage today. I feel a lot of times that collage is a great way to de-stress. I find it to be very relaxing and I find it to be very free-flowing. So sometimes when I just need a little stress reliever, I'll do some collage. And I have been in need of that lately. So I'm here today to do a fun collage, and it's actually quite amusing. So I hope that you will hang around and see how this turns out. As you can see, I am starting off with some vintage music paper that I had coffee dyed and added some pink to the coffee mixture. I'm working in my art journal, and the collage that you see on the left-hand side was a collage that I did with some prompts earlier this year. Now that I've got the music paper down, I'm going to grab some scrapbook paper and I'm going to add some pink to the edges, and then I'm also going to do a little bit of stenciling on the paper just so I have a nice base to add the images to. You guys have probably seen me use this die a lot. It's one of my favorite things to stencil with. I love the shape of it, and it works great as a stencil. So I'm using pink ink, as you can see, and there was a little bit of like purple on my brush. I don't think I even realized that. I try not to mix dark colors with my brush. I don't mind mixing the lighter ones, but at any rate, it helped the ink show up on the paper actually. Junk Journal July is getting ready to start, and that is one of the collaborations that I like to join in every year. And I do I do collage all of my pages for that collaboration. And I usually do one every day because there's a prompt for every day. But I think this year I'm going to go ahead and combine them and maybe put a video out like once a week, maybe twice a week, just because I have some other things going on. But if you enjoy seeing how collages go together, I hope that you'll come along with me during that collaboration. It is a lot of fun, and I love using prompts for collaging. You can see here that I have added this magazine cutout of this lady in a yoga pose, and I'm trying to see if I can get this hat to fit on her head. The hat is definitely too big for her, but I like that because it adds a little bit of whimsy. I'm going to pop that hat on her head and trim the edge of it, and then we're going to see what else we can come up with for this collage. So far, I'm definitely enjoying it. I have some smaller images from the yoga magazine, and I think I'm going to go ahead and use them. So this lady that I'm getting ready to attach, she's actually a rock climber. So I went ahead, and as you can see, I fussy cut her out, and I'm going to hang her from the yoga lady's foot. From the page that I cut out the rock climber, there's words and it says get your climb on. So I thought that would be perfect to add to this page as well. I've got another small image of a girl doing a yoga pose, and it's small enough that I can fit it on top of the other foot. So I'm gonna do that. I have to admit that this collage brightened my day. It made me laugh. So I'm just putting the date on it, and we're going to call this done. Thanks for watching. See you soon.